Do not drink the coconut water, no matter what. Did you know that chicken and coconut are like two peas in a pod when it comes to warming winter soups? Here's how to make a delicious, fragrant chicken and coconut Chinese herbal soup. Here's a hammer. And here's a coconut. But first, be sure to drain all the coconut water and reserve to be used as part of your soup later. And here's how you go to battle with a coconut. What we want now is the coconut flesh. You'll have to remove the outer shell, keeping only the soft coconut meat. This outer brown skin is safe to keep and eat. The coconut meat is slightly warming and sweet. It targets the heart, spleen, stomach, and lungs while nourishing the blood and tonifying your qi and yin. Coconut helps strengthen muscles, supports digestion and heart health, and can help regulate blood pressure. After you've extracted all the flesh, rinse under cool water to remove any shell or debris left. For this recipe, I pan-fried the chicken thighs in my soup pot to open up the flavors instead of blanching it. Once they're fragrant and the skin and flesh are browned, I'll add in 2.5 liters of water and allow that to come to a boil. This is now the perfect time to scoop out the oil, foam, and any extra debris released into the water before adding all my other ingredients in. Next, drop in your fresh corn, dried red dates, dried scallops, dried wolfberries, dried longans, and the fresh coconut meat. And finally, pour in the reserved coconut water. Cover and bring the soup to a full boil on medium-high heat. Once that boils, I will reduce the heat to a low boil and let that simmer for at least a good 2 hours. Don't forget to skim the soup as needed for anything unwanted that's come to the surface, like oil, fat, bones, debris. And 2 hours later, look at the color of this broth. This is what a warming chicken herbal broth is all about. The chicken is falling off the bone, tasting of buttery coconut. The coconut is soft and rich in flavors. And the soup is savory and slightly sweet with a depth that tastes amazing. This soup is perfect when you want something that feels like a warm blanket. I'm home. Happy cooking and follow for more great soup recipes.